Strings in Java. In this demonstration, we are going to discuss how to use string in our Java code. At first, we have defined one character array. This character array is containing these 6 characters, and this is known as a character array. And name of the character array is character string. We have defined one scanner class object. As usual, we did that one before also. And we have defined one string class object str is equal to new string. You see, in the constructor, string is nothing but a constructor here, this string method, and which is taking this character array as input argument. That means from this character array, it will create a string and that will be assigned to str. So using the constructor, passing this character array as input argument to the constructor name here the string function, and this constructor, from this particular constructor, from this character string character array, we are generating a string and that will be assigned to the variable string object str. So see system.out.println, we are printing the value of str, and now we are going for this. So system.out.println, enter a string. So using the scanner class object scanner, using the method that is our next, we are taking one input, one string as input, and that will be returned and that will be assigned to the string object str, and then the str is getting printed. So here we are showing you that how to take the user given input, user given string as input, and how to assign that one to a string class object. Here this str is getting assigned with this particular string. So there is a Java string. So direct assignment we are doing. So direct assign string to the string type object str. Next we are printing the value of this str object. Then we are going for the string concatenation. Concatenation means adding 2 strings. So here we are adding 3 strings. One is a string, next one is this blank, and next one another string, that is concatenate. Here plus operator is being used as the string concatenation operator. So ultimately this concatenated string is getting printed and we are closing this scanner class object. So let us go for the execution. You can find that the value of str is string. That means from this character array, which is having these 6 characters, we have generated one string and that has been assigned to this str. And here this string constructor is being used, and this string is a class which is defined under this java.lang package, and it is taking one character array as input and generating one string as output, and that will be assigned to this str, and that has got printed. Now it is asking for the string for input. So I'm going for this hello, and then pressing enter. So the value of str is hello. So now it has taken the input from the keyboard. Next is a function which is accepting a string input and it is returning the string as output, and that will be assigned to this str. Str has got printed, so hello has got printed. Now here we are going for the direct assignment of a Java string onto the string object str, and the str has got printed. Now here we have done the concatenation of 3 strings. So here this plus is actually working as a string concatenation operator. So string blank space concatenate, these 3 strings has got added and has been assigned to the string class object, that is str, and str has got printed. So in this demonstration we have given you the idea that how to define one string object, how to initialize one string object directly or taking some inputs from the keyboard or using constructor, and what is string concatenation.